Are you making these PlushTube mistakes? Well, let's start off by addressing the Bowser in the room. Who? Me? Yep. Let's face it, your videos are boring. Whoa, okay, don't go spamming hate comments just yet, because today I've got some big mistakes that small PlushTubers make. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Wait, where's the water? Ugh. Okay, mistake number 1. Don't jump out of windows. But seriously, okay, let's play a game. So, imagine you're a viewer. You just clicked on a video because of the intriguing title and thumbnail. It's all going great, you know. It's a beautiful day, and then suddenly, boom! An intro explodes out of nowhere. And it gets shoved right into your face. So you wait, and nothing ever happens. And you feel so bored that you decide to click off the video. And so, your viewers leave, just like this leaf lying around. So, in conclusion, do not put an intro at the start of your plush videos, because it kills your viewers' retention. Anyways, let's get back inside for the next one. And okay, then the second mistake that I see PlushTubers make is caring about only getting more subscribers, especially at the start of videos. And while you should tell people to subscribe to your channel, provide value first. And also, if you hit the subscribe button down below, that'd be very nice. And while you shouldn't only be focusing on getting subscribers, there is definitely something you should be focusing on. It's a secret YouTube tool that'll help you gain loads of subscribers if you use it correctly. And it's called the YouTube Retention Graph. Cool, isn't it? Well, this is actually a secret YouTube weapon. Because not only can you see when the viewer stopped watching, you can also see when they watched it the most. Now, I'm not gonna go in great detail on this video, but these little things are called spikes, and these little things are called dips. The more spikes you have, the better the video. You can think of spikes as spice, which make your body temperature go up. Whereas dips, like tomato ketchup, make your body temperature go down. Kind of. I make videos on PlushTube Education. Anyways, that's not all. If you want to see how to double your views in 3 minutes, click on this video right over here.